Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your Earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Inside the case we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until you will see that the LED light flash purple. So firstly start blinking blue, it's okay, don't worry, keep holding this button. Here we go, we have purple LED light. After that we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!